welcome back to That's So Allegra. I'm Allegra for those who don't know. In today's video, we're going to be doing something that I've been waiting to do for a very, very long time, and that is a thrift with me vlog. So yes, we're going to be doing that. I'm going to take you guys with me. I'm giving myself a $5 limit because we are all about saving these coins. At least I am anyway. So yes, I'm going to show you guys what, I kind of come across and give a few tips if you've never been thrifting before, or how I thrift pretty much, because it is a very tedious thing to do. Like, I always get friends that be like, oh my gosh, I can't thrift. Like, how do you always find and get stuff? Like, you shall see when I share these tips. So, yeah, give this video a thumbs up. If you're new, welcome to my channel. I'm glad you came by, whether you sew or you want to be interested in sewing, or you just like to see people sew, which is what I did initially. And then I was like, you know what? I can do that. I'm getting my own sewing machine, and here we are. So yeah, so let's get into the video.
This print is pretty interesting. What is this? Shut up! It's amazing. Like, my manager had this. I know for a fact. Like, we make the job help. Did you tell me what's that house? Hey, look at this. What is this? Like, it is really good one. It's really big. Yeah. I was up there. What is this? Oh, not you. That's some stains. Love this fabric, like, and the buttons.
That is so fetch.
I can totally make something new out of this. Yeah. Lots of fabric to work with. The silky texture of this one. Very soft, silky material. I like this dress. I like the fabric. Still debating. Just gonna grab it just in case. I can make a really cute top out of this print. I like it a lot. So cute. Okay, so she has a lot of potential. Like I really like this. This could be nice pants. It's long enough. It's gonna be hard.
3 hours later.
Stayed within my budget. $4.77.
So I am back home, and I'm going to share with you the items I got and tell you why. So this first thing is this dress, and this is pretty self-explanatory. Like, look at this material. This just had fall vibes all over it. I love the print. I believe it's just black and brown zebra print, or it could just be a tiger print. Like, I honestly don't know. I just know it's an animal print, and I just know that I like it, and I like the quality of this. Like, it doesn't look dingy or worn, like, at all. It's a size 12, which is great because it gives me tons of fabric to work with. I can easily just take it in and alter it and still leave it as a dress, or I can make something completely different out of it and just keep this print, or just change the style of a dress but still have it a dress. I don't know how I find these good thrift finds, but I just come across stuff and I'm just like, how did someone pass this up? But it's always because some people just either, I guess, they couldn't fit it, or it wasn't their style, or if it was their style, they didn't have a vision of what they could change it to. Because I had a vision. Like, I was Raven Simone. It was a great find for half of $477, which I think was about, it was $2 something, pretty much $225. It might have been $225, and then tax added to that. Yeah, that makes sense. All right, so before I show you this next one, I know you guys are probably thinking like you have no idea which one I got because I had so many amazing choices. If you saw my Instagram story, you may have an idea. It was so many different choices, so many different visions I saw with all the stuff that I found, that I honestly was like, what do I pick? So I feel like Tyra Banks when she goes,
"Two of you stand before me, but I only have one photo in my hands."
that's how I felt with some of these dresses. I'm like, I only have $225 to spend on one of you, so I don't know which one to choose from. Like, y'all saw the cute little one with the, you know, cowl neck and the floral and black. And you guys saw the nice pink satin dress that could have been some nice pants. And yeah, out of the four, there's two that mated were this one and this one, which is not folded, but pretty much I had to try it on and stuff. But I really love this one because look at all this fabric I get to work with. And I also had a vision of how I wanted it to look, and I just knew like I had to get this because I could just see the look complete from head to toe, from the shoes, from my hair, from the lipstick I was wearing. Like, everything just fit together in my head, so I had to get this. This dress is by the brand, if I can find the tag, Leslie Faye Dresses, made in Salvador. And it's a size 10. Not too big for me, but slightly big. Still tons of fabric to work with. Can't wait to bring my vision to life. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. That's what I got while thrifting today. Yes, like this video, guys, if you love my Thrift With Me vlogs. I'll actually try to make a longer one next time and have like someone film me so you guys can kind of see me in action doing it versus the close-up. But I was pretty much alone, so it's like I couldn't be like, hey, I'm thrifting, and I'd rather just give you guys a close-up and then talk in the background of, you know, so you get my kind of view from it, I guess. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you guys for subscribing. Thank you guys for just tuning in to my channel. So until next time.